Welcome to a new video. In this one I'm going to show you how to apply to our customized degree paths. First thing, go to the website, go to the application link, which is slate.admissions.arizona.edu/register/global campus. You're going to see some instructions there. An important one is that you must complete the form in one sitting to submit. You cannot save the form or return to it later. Fill out the application with basic details, your name, permanent address. In this case, I'm going to enter Mexico, Rocky Point in Mexico. Enter your details for yourself and for the student, city, region, postal code. Confirm the email address. Enter the date, time, phone, a mobile phone number. Anything you see with the red asterisk is a required component. Hopefully you are okay with us sending you text messages, so say yes. Biographical information, primary citizenship, country of birth, city of birth. Enter all of that information. Straightforward questions. The next one is asking you about the application type. There are two main ones that we are displaying here, the freshman or transfer. Most students will be freshman students or first year students. So in this case, I am submitting it as a freshman student. Fall classes in session. The fall is a semester that begins in August, and the spring is a semester that begins in January each year. So I'm going to select fall 2020, and this is an application for the customized degree paths. So hopefully by now you should have studied or consulted with an enrollment counselor on the different possibilities, the different customized degree paths that we offer. If not, go to everywhere.arizona.edu and then navigate to the customized degree paths, and then you're going to see the different options here. The customized degree paths are basically groupings or groups of courses or programs or pathways that enable you to take courses that apply for some potential majors. In this case, the engineering customized degree path helps you with those programs that you saw on that page. So by this point, you should have consulted this information on your own or with an enrollment counselor. So make sure that you understand that portion. So again, you selected, and I selected engineering. On the next one, the partnership institution. So on the partnership institution, I selected Tecnológico de Monterrey. That's the previous one. For the agents, I'm going to select that nobody helped me. The emergency contact, I'm going to say my dad. And whoever that is for you, just fill in the details. I'm going to say test. And again, with Mexico as the emergency contact address, the same city, Rocky Point. That's just an example. And then select the region or state, the postal code. For the academic information, this is where you're going to upload your transcripts, where you're going to indicate your academic background. If you are a current student at a university, please provide your high school, secondary school, and your university information. So all you do is you click on add a school, and in my case it's pre-filled, high school in Mexico. Fill in the details for that school, its location, region, city, country, type of institution. I'm going to say this is high school. Select the started attending and the finished attending or expected graduation dates. Degree earned or expected, high school. Graduation date, July. And then you have an option to add another school. But in this case, I'm just going to not do that. I am just going to fill this out with only one high school. Sometimes you could have different high schools or different institutions. On the next section, you have to upload your transcript. So what you do, make sure that you have those prepared in legible PDF version or format, and then upload it there. I selected it, and then the language proficiency tells you that you can examine those requirements on that page, on that website. Click on it. That's going to take you to the page where we explain the English proficiency requirements, We divide the information in two boxes, the test scores and the other one is academic coursework. You may be required to submit proof of English proficiency. So take a look at that page, examine those possibilities. The final section are the authorizations, some disclaimers that you agree or disagree with, university declaration, application summary, review confirmation, and then you sign. Make sure that you read all of that information as you agree or as you sign. It's important that you do that. In my case, I'm not going to do that for the purpose of this video to submit it faster. And then I'm just going to scan really quickly. The important selections, of course, is everything, but a very important part is that you have to submit it in one sitting, and you declare the partner in case you're going to be declaring a campus partner, and also the customized degree path in this particular case. And that's it. Once you feel comfortable and you're ready, you can submit. So that's going to take you about, I would say, 8 to 10 minutes to complete. And once you submit the application, it's going to take you to this page, and that's it. That's how you submit an application for the customized degree path. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let us know. Again, my name is Luis Castillo with International Admissions.